are a lot of piers on the Grand Strand, but only two actually reside in the city of Myrtle Beach. Here's a map to get your bearings. Cherry Grove and Apache Pier are north of Myrtle Beach. The State Park Pier and the Pier at Garden City are also south of Myrtle Beach. Springmaid Pier is gone. Actually, Surfside Pier is gone as well since Hurricane Matthew. But first, let's focus at Pier 14. This is one of the two piers that are actually in the city of Myrtle Beach. These two piers are also centralized to the city. You can see here that there is a restaurant and lounge at the beginning of the pier. The restaurant was an addition in the mid-80s. The pier itself has been here since 1926, I believe. So it has a very long history on the Grand Strand. It has seen all the changes throughout the years. So this is, in my opinion, technically it's a historic pier because City of Myrtle Beach is not very old, and this is something that has lasted the test of time. Now, it has been damaged a few times, specifically in Hurricane Hugo, but it's been rebuilt. Now, let's move a little further south than 14th Avenue Pier. We're going to go to the 2nd Avenue Pier, which is just a hop, skip, and a jump down the road. Like I said, these are both centralized to the center of town. This pier also includes a restaurant at the beginning of the pier, and it is plenty long enough to do some fishing off of. This pier has been here for quite some time, not as long as 14th, but it's been here a while. 1936 is when they erected this pier, and it has withstood the test of time. It's been damaged like every other pier during major hurricanes, but it's been repaired, rebuilt in some cases. And being about 900 feet long, this is a staple pier for local fishermen.